first video. Today I'm gonna be eating honey, and it came from my school. Don't really like the flavor, and we have a beehive at our school, so we get honey. It tastes like, don't really like the flavor, but it tastes like, what is it called? Raisins, but like yuck raisins. It's disgusting. But I'll get out my toast, and honey. Yummy. And I already toasted the toast. I'm gonna eat it. Go that way. So I'm gonna open the honey. And I've got this from my school. I'm just gonna put a little bit on it. And I want my family to have some too. It smells disgusting. So I got my toast. It looks delicious. I'm gonna use my honey. I have heaps on. Use a little bit. Key. I hate the honey flavor. Not that I didn't like the honey, but whatever. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I see you in my next video. Bye!